Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a soccer game. So let me show you how it is. For the red person here, you use WASD keys, and for the blue here, you use arrow keys. And you just touch the ball, so make the ball like that. And then if you score a goal, the score will go by 1. So let's make it. Okay, we'll make a new project. First things first, delete the scratch cut. Then we'll draw a sprite. Then we'll go to the circle. We'll fill it with red, outline 5. You will hold down shift while you make the circle, this, and that. Make it bigger, not too big. Let's make it bigger one. I think that's too big. There you go. Let's make the eyes. Use the toothbrush. Use the paintbrush. Sorry. And you just add the size to 15. Just put eyes at the right here. And yeah. So now we'll go to stage. We'll make a perfect green backdrop. So saturation on, color 30, and a dark color. We'll make a huge rectangle, and there you go. So let's go to this here. We'll call it red. Wait a sec. Okay, red. Okay, let's go to code, events. When green flag clicked, we will go to X. We'll put it just like here. Yeah. X negative 150, Y 0, and then we will go to variables. We'll make a variable. We'll call it X for this sprite only. Click OK. Make a variable. Call it Y for this sprite only. Click OK. And that's it. So we'll set the X to 0, Y to 0, and then we'll take a forever loop. We'll go if key, right arrow pressed, then we'll go to variables. We'll change X by 0.5. We'll duplicate this. We'll do the same thing to the left arrow key. Oops, sorry. In the red character, we'll use A and D. And then we'll duplicate this. And then here, we'll find the W. And then here, Y. Here is Y. Negative 0.5. And we'll go take the S pressed. And here negative 0.5. And then we're going to change x by right here by variables x. Then we'll go to variables, set x to x times 0.9. And then we'll do the same thing to the y function. Change y by variables y, then set y, we'll duplicate this, y times 0.9. So let's see. Press the D key to go right, left to go left, W to go up, and S to go down. So that's for the red character. So we'll just do the trick here. We'll just duplicate this, and then we'll go to costumes, fill the color blue, any blue you want. Okay, so we'll name it blue. Go to code, and then we'll just change these to right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down arrow, and that's it. Oh, we'll go to X 150. So now we'll make the ball. So let's choose a sprite, and then we will search ball, and we'll pick this soccer ball here. So let's go back to red, and we'll go to motion, point towards soccer ball. Do the same thing to the blue, and yeah. So that's it for these two. Now we go to the soccer ball. So when green flag clicked, you'll go to X 0, Y 0, and then we'll set the size to say 70 because it's too big. And yeah. And then we'll go to variables, make a variable for this sprite only, say move speed for this sprite only. Okay, so we'll set the move speed to 0 at the very beginning, and then forever if touching red, then go to motion, point in direction, sensing, we'll go drag this block here, we will red and direction of red, and then variables, we will set the move speed to 10, and we'll duplicate this again. So we'll say blue and blue, direction of blue. So we'll go here, so move speed, and then set move speed to operators times move speed times, let's say 0.95. let's say, and there you go. We have 2 moving players and a ball which we can kick. One more code we didn't add here is motion. We'll go to if on edge bounce, so it'll bounce whenever it's on the edge. Yes, here, and yeah. So really quick, let's make a new sprite. This will be the goal. Goal 1. So we'll zoom in. We'll fill it with white. Outline black. We'll change it to 5. Big one here. Oh, and yeah. So put it here. Go here. So when green flag clicked, forever motion, go to X, -240, Y 0. It'll be here. We'll copy this, and then we'll make it to 240. And then let's go to soccer ball. Make a variable. We'll call it red and blue. So we'll change this to large readout. Put it here. Just put there. So we'll go to if touching goal 1, and we'll change blue by 1, and then we'll copy this, go to X 0, Y 0, and then we'll set move speed to 0. So let's duplicate this and do the same thing to the goal 2. We'll change red by 1. So let's see, and there you go. I think, yeah, there you go. Oh, please make sure to leave a like, share, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye.